My name is Gary McGill, and I handle the global marketing side of things to facilitate exciting new business growth. In fact, we've had so much new growth this past year that we are rather busy restructuring, and the same with so many of our strategic partners. Our international pod making production lines have also been greatly expanded. Globally, about 1 billion pods have already been consumed since inception. And we are well on our way to reaching and surpassing 1.5 billion pods. Upgrades towards larger filling machines and ice cream freezers are also underway. Dramatic expansion on machine production is now underway to take into account order surges. Globally, over 100,000 assorted one-shot machines have been built since inception. We are steadily gaining market share, and if 2018 was an amazing year, 2019 is going to be absolutely mind-blowing. A great deal of that expansion success is directly attributed to my own work through super enhanced visibility across the globe. In many respects, I am digitally going nose to nose with multinational corporations in our field, and in some areas I am already surpassing them. In all honesty, I have to say that working with me is going to be a lot of fun. As I like to say to my colleagues, don't tell me the sky is the limit when there are footprints on the moon.